How to invite friends to your Facebook page. Before we get started, I just want to point out there's two sorts of Facebook pages. The first is your personal Facebook page, which has the blue bar across the top. The second is your business Facebook page, which has a grey bar across the top. People may be using different Facebook pages for different things. If you are running a business, you're more likely to have a business page because you probably have a business account. But if you are just marketing or just sharing something through a personal page, that's all right too. But there's different ways on both systems on how to add friends to those pages. The first one here, let's look at the personal, is on the right hand side you'll have a list of friends and you can just scroll through that list and add those friends to your page if you want to invite them to your page. If however the person's not on the list, click on the cover photo. Where it says friend request, go over and click on see all. When you go into see all, it's going to give you the option to search for friends. Now I put a name in there before of someone who I know is in the community as a friend on my page yet. Now if I wanted to add them to my personal page, my personal profile, I'll be able to say add friend, and this will then invite them to my page. Now I know that this person is in the community, so I'm just going to show for an example here. I've sent through now a friend request and I'll be able to add the person to my page if they accept it. So I'm going to go back now to the page itself. So if I was to actually go now in here and put in the name, you're going to see I still can't add the person because they're not a friend as such. So we need to wait accepted to be a friend before we can add them to the page. If you have a business page, so when you are actually on your business page, if you go over to the right hand side and scroll down, you will actually see that there is a invite friends button. Click the invite friends button and you'll have the option of inviting friends personally through here. These are friends that you have already in your personal profile. If they're not in your personal profile and you want them to be a member on your page or someone to contribute to your page or share your page to, what you're required to do is just go down and choose where you want to choose that person from, and then go through and click, just select who you want to invite into the page. Once you've clicked the send invite, they can then become a member of your page if they accept it. So just said that for an example. So once again, when you go through here, you'll see there's lots of different choices. There are actually groups that you are members of. So if you're not a member of a group, you won't be able to invite someone. You need to become a member of a group. Another way where you can invite friends, which is one way which you can do with both sides, is to go through and when you have people like your posts, I'm just going to go down a few posts that have been active a bit longer. So you can click on the people who have liked your posts and you can send them an invite through the buttons that you have. This can be done on boosted posts or just also organic posts. This is the same on your personal profile. If you were to click on your personal profile, the people who've liked your personal profile, what the reach is, the likes, you'll be able to invite them to like your page. So I could click on here and invite Susan to like my page. So I hope those tips have actually helped you with inviting people to your page. This is Angie from lifestyleanytime.com.au. I'll be back with some other tips and tricks soon. Bye for now.